Looking for the best USB to Ethernet adapters in 2025? These top 5 options deliver fast, reliable wired connections for laptops, desktops, and more perfect for streaming, gaming, and work. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Kebidumei 2500M. The Kebidumei 2000M USB Type C to RJ45 Ethernet adapter is a high-speed external Ethernet solution designed for users who need a reliable and fast wired connection. With speeds up to 2000 megabits per second, this adapter is perfect for tasks like gaming, video streaming, large file transfers, or working from home. It offers both USB 3.0 and USB Type-C interfaces, providing flexibility depending on the device you are using. Additionally, it is backward compatible with USB 2.0, making it suitable for a variety of systems. One of the standout features of this adapter is its plug-and-play functionality, which eliminates the need for any drivers on systems running Windows 8.1 or later. This makes it incredibly convenient for users who need a quick and hassle-free setup. The ERT L8156B chip ensures stable and fast network connections, enhancing the overall performance across various devices. The Kebidumei 2500M is built with durability in mind, featuring an aluminum alloy body and TP material outer covering, ensuring a premium feel and long-lasting use. Inside, the tin copper conductor improves data transmission quality by preventing signal interference, ensuring a stable connection. This adapter is compatible with a wide range of devices, including MacBook, Dell laptops, HP, Lenovo, Huawei, Xiaomi, and many more. Number 4. Beyoume. The Beyoume 2-in-1 USB-C network card with power delivery, 60-watt fast charging port, and gigabit Ethernet adapter is an impressive tool for anyone needing fast, stable wired internet connectivity alongside a reliable charging option. This compact device converts your USB-C port into a high-speed 1000 MPs Ethernet connection, making it perfect for tasks like online gaming, video conferencing, or streaming. What sets this adapter apart is its dual functionality. Not only does it provide a lightning-fast Ethernet connection, but it also includes a 60-watt power delivery charging port. This means you can maintain a strong internet connection while charging your device, ensuring you don't have to choose between staying connected and staying powered up. Whether you're working remotely, studying, or simply browsing the web, you can count on uninterrupted service. The adapter features a USB 3.0 interface, ensuring compatibility with a variety of devices, including laptops and desktops, with USB-C ports. Its sleek and portable design, with a short 0.2-meter cable, makes it easy to carry and store, which is ideal for users on the go. Plus, the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even with regular use. While it's a great tool for everyday use, it's important to note that it is designed for USB-C devices and may not be suitable for heavy-duty gaming. Number 3. Apwikoger. The Apwikoger Type C USB Ethernet adapter is a highly functional and compact solution for anyone needing a reliable wired network connection for their USB-C enabled devices. This adapter supports both 1000 MPs and 100 MP speeds, making it versatile for various tasks, from simple web browsing to more demanding activities like streaming and gaming. With its sleek and portable design, the Apwikoger adapter is easy to carry around, measuring only 57 mm by 23 mm by 16 mm. Its small size ensures that you can maintain a stable internet connection on the go, whether you're working remotely, traveling, or just in a location with unreliable Wi-Fi. Durability is a key feature of this adapter. It is built with a high-quality aluminum alloy housing, which protects it from wear and tear, offering long-term performance even with frequent use. This makes it an ideal choice for professionals or travelers who need a reliable, durable network solution. The adapter is compatible with both USB and Type-C interfaces, allowing it to work with a wide range of devices, including laptops, tablets, desktop computers, and gaming consoles like the Xiaomi Mi Box and Nintendo Switch. Available in two stylish colors, space gray and silver, it's an accessory that fits well with modern tech setups. While it's limited to USB-C devices and lacks advanced features, the Apwikoger Ethernet adapter delivers reliable, high-speed connectivity in a compact, durable design. Number 2. Unnlink 1897. The Unnlink 1897 USB-C to RJ45 Ethernet adapter is an excellent solution for anyone seeking a high-speed wired network connection. Offering speeds of up to 1000 Mbps, this adapter ensures a fast and stable connection, ideal for online gaming, streaming, video conferencing, and large file transfers. Its dual interface supports both USB 3.0 and USB-C, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, PCs, and gaming consoles, like the Nintendo Switch. Designed for both performance and portability, the Unnlink 1897 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, the office, or while traveling, this adapter allows you to bypass Wi-Fi limitations and enjoy a stable wired connection. One standout feature of this adapter is its aluminum alloy shell, which provides excellent heat dissipation. This design ensures the device remains cool and efficient, even during extended use, while also protecting the internal components for better durability compared to plastic alternatives. With its versatile compatibility, this Ethernet adapter is perfect for devices lacking built-in Ethernet ports, or those in need of a faster, more reliable connection than Wi-Fi can offer. It is particularly useful for gaming consoles like the Nintendo Switch, offering a direct and stable wired network connection. Overall, the Unnlink 1897 USB-C Ethernet adapter combines high-speed performance, durability, and portability, making it a great choice for anyone needing reliable internet connectivity. Number 1. Daguaika 100M. The Daguaika 100M USB Type-C hub is an 8-in-1 USB Type-C hub designed to provide a versatile and high-performance solution for expanding the connectivity of your USB Type-C-enabled devices. Whether you're using a MacBook, Windows laptop, or notebook, this hub offers multiple ports to connect a range of peripherals, making it ideal for both professionals and everyday users. It includes USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 ports, enabling quick file transfers and the connection of external hard drives, flash drives, keyboards, and mice. The USB 3.0 port allows for handling larger files with ease, making it a great choice for those who need fast and efficient data transfers. One of the standout features of this hub is its SDNTF card reader, which makes it easy to read and write to ESD and microSD cards, a must-have tool for photographers and videographers. It also features an RJ45 Ethernet port, providing a stable and fast wired internet connection, ideal for video conferencing, gaming, or any task requiring reliable internet access. For those who prefer working with larger screens, the hub supports 4K output at 30 Hz, allowing you to connect your device to an external monitor or TV. The Daguaika 100M hub is built with a durable aluminum alloy and a BS construction, offering a compact, lightweight design that's easy to carry, making it perfect for professionals on the go. There you have it, the 5 best USB to Ethernet adapters to upgrade your internet connection this year. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech recommendations.